Hello everyone, today we'll be exploring Waxwing's powerful research feature. If you're looking to stay ahead of the competition and understand your audience, then this is where the magic happens. So let's get started.
So once you come to Waxwing.ai, you can enter your website here and click on continue. During the onboarding, you can select your top priorities, your current marketing tech stack, add few tasks, and invite members. During that time, Waxwing crawls your website and gathers data from third-party resources. You can review all the business intelligence gathered so far. Here you can add other products that are part of your business. Now let's look at the channels. So similar to product insights, we want separate insights for each and every channel. Here are some audience insights containing the user persona for the business, their interest, target audience, social media usage, and other properties. You can check this out and click on continue. You can see Waxwing has auto-identified few competitors here. You can also add any new competitor that you want to add from your side. Now, as you can see, Waxwing has created few audience segments for our business. This looks good. You can also add any new segment that you want to add and click on continue. So now we are on the dashboard tab. We can go to the intelligence tab where you can view all the business intelligence that was gathered regarding your business. It is the central hub for all the business intelligence across the organization. It contains company insights, audience insights, channel insights, competitor insights, and product insights. So as you can see in the company insights, it contains the business summary, buyer persona, industry, domain, key product features, etc. In the audience insights, it contains the user persona, interests, etc. Also, you can add the new segment here if you want to. In the channel insights, it creates insights for each and every channel that we selected. We can also add new channels if we want from here. In the competitor insights, you can see the listing of each and every competitor. You can select and go through the comparison charts for each of them. You can also add a new competitor if you want to. Next, coming on to the product insights. For every product, it creates a separate insight. You can add a new product if you want to and check out the previously listed products from the list here. So for any of these insights, suppose you want to provide any additional context to our AI, you can go ahead and click on add the card here. You can enter the card name and add the card content and click on add card. You can also provide additional context using any file or URL that will be used for generating insights by Waxwing's AI.
So that's a quick overview of Waxwing's business intelligence feature. Whether you are redefining your audience targeting, uncovering competitor insights, or staying on top of market trends, Waxwing provides you all the necessary insights for you to stay ahead. Try Waxwing.ai for free and let your data drive your success.